How to download and install Quora app. So if you want to download and install Quora app, then first of all you have to open up your Play Store application. And after opening your Play Store, on the upper side you will have a search bar. Simply tap on the search bar, and then here you have to search for Quora. And after searching, here you will have the application. So if you want to download and install this application, then simply tap on install, and it may take some time to download depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection. And after installing, you can simply tap on open, which is on the right side. And after installing, you can simply continue with your Google account, or you can also continue with your Facebook account, or you can sign up with your email, or you can also log into your account. So that's it. That's how you download and install Quora application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.